Good morning. So here, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathrooms. We start from the parking lot with this small terrace. Casa Sauro. So living room with kitchen over there. Access to a small backyard. So you could have pets. Cleaning has not been made, so I can show you quickly, but here we have bathrooms. So it's hot water, electric, no stairs at all. The main room. So the main room has AC, and the second room is a bit smaller, probably like 2/3 of it, of this one, and has no air conditioning. Has like ceiling fans in both rooms. So here, second bedrooms, kids' rooms I would say. Okay, we go on the backyard quickly. So you have like space to have your dogs here. Because we could, you see, close here with this door. So it's good to have a, yeah. And here, very comfortable part with our parking lot. So we have space for a few cars. The owners will be also okay to gate here with like a wood gate if you want to keep your animals there. So see, it's a residence of 11 units. This one is very private, and we are just in city center. You may not see very well, but if I go up here, we see we are in town. So it's a 10-minute walk to city center, 5-minute walk to the beach. 2 bedrooms for rent. Long-term wish only, so it's a 3 months minimum rentals.